the ground.
Alright guys, and welcome to my channel The Flying Mechanic. Today we are going to see the oil change on FZS version 2.0. To change the oil on FZS, you will require a 12 mm socket to open the drain bolt beneath here, and 8 mm T-tool to open the oil filter, a new oil filter, and 1 liter of oil. So let's get started. Alright guys, the oil has been drained now, and now we will put back the drain plug. Go ahead and put a new filter. Yeah, that's way. Always remember, on FZ you got one long bolt and two short one. The long one goes in the lower part, the two short one goes on the top and the nearer the filler cap over here. So do remember that while fitting up your cap. We'll require a funnel to keep it here. The oil I use for my FZ is Motul 5100 15W50 Techno Synthetic. It is MA2 and API SN. So let's go ahead and pour it inside the engine. So this is our filler cap, and this is our brand new O-ring which I'm going to fit. There you go. Just lubricate it with some oil. I would use the oil from the funnel to lubricate my O-ring. Put some oil over here also so that it get fitted easily. Alright, now let's check the oil level. Just fit your dipstick, remove it, there you go, it's full. Put it inside. That's how you change your oil on FZS version 2.0. So guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for such kind of future updates. Thank you. Visit again.